All right, first we're going to do our nursery rhyme, which this week is PreK. Okay? All right, why is it important for us to do listening activities?
So we can read.
Why do we need to learn how to read?
Because we can learn foundational skills.
Say that again.
Foundational.
Foundational skills. Our foundational skills are speaking and listening, writing and reading. We have to have our foundational skills so we can learn how to read and write. Do you want to learn how to read and write?
Yeah.
Yeah, Zaya, sit on your circle for me. Put your hands in your basket. Turn and look at me. Thank you. I need you to pay attention. No, baby. All right. We need to practice listening and speaking so that we can learn how to read and write, because you have to be able to listen to hear sounds when you're reading and writing. So important. Thank you for telling me about that. Zaya, eyes up here, okay? All right, first we're going to do our nursery rhyme, PreK. Are you ready? Get your hands ready. Okay. PreK, PreK, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for Brandon and me. PreK, PreK, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, mark it with a C. Put it in the oven for Charlie and me. PreK, PreK, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, mark it with an E. Put it in the oven for Emerson and me. PreK, last one, PreK, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, mark it with an L. Put it in the oven for Levi and me. Good job. Okay, so today's activity